Join the Weather Channel live in Vancouver all this week during the 2010 Winter Games. Now, you're local on the 8s.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, chance of snow showers overnight, low 20. Winds east at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of snow 40%. And on Tuesday, cloudy with snow, high 26. Winds east-northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. 3 to 5 inches of snow expected. And Tuesday night, snow likely, low 20. Chance of snow 80%. Snow accumulating 4 to 6 inches. The week ahead.